Hi, it's Brenda with Luke's. Welcome to, of course, our wonderful 12 feet of Christmas. Today we are going to learn about the ribbon sequin foot. Why? Because it's Christmas and everything is embellished and sparkly. We are using the wonderful Janome M7. This is how easy it is to set up the foot and to use this embellishment. I'm going to go to the Techniques button right here. I see stitches, quilting, and feet. I go to my ribbon and sequin foot, and the machine gives me options. It is so easy to use. It's letting me know how wide is my trim. Well, I'm using the sequins, and the sequins are going to be sewn on with a straight stitch. So we're going to start here. This is what my foot looks like. All I need to do is to snap it onto the machine. I'm going to take my sequins. They feed right over the top, and I'm going to sew the sequins on with a straight stitch. So let me grab those and get them behind my project. All right, so we're going to put our foot down, and at that point, this is how easy it is to embellish our Christmas project. We'll do a little curve. All right, let's hit our scissors and let me show you what we have. Okay, just that easy. We've embellished our fabric with the sequins sewn right down the center, and they look great. Not only does this foot sew down the sequins, it also does ribbon. So a couple of thoughts on that. There are some different slots on the foot to accommodate different widths of ribbon. This happens to be 10 millimeters wide, and it's going to slide right through the front of the foot. And then I'm going to run a little bit out the back so I can catch it. There we go. Okay, now, next thing is we're going to line up our stitch. If you remember in the techniques, it showed me how to line up or how to choose a stitch for this. This is 10 millimeters wide. Rather than have these sharp points, I want a little bit softer look. So I'm going to go into a decorative stitch. In fact, let's use a quilting stitch. And I think the one I like for this technique is number 20. And we're going to make this a little bit longer, and we're going to make this a little bit wider. Maybe we'll go to 8. All right, so you're not really limited to just the zigzag. I'm going to drop my foot down, and let's go. See, the ribbon is feeding smoothly through the foot. I'm going to stop, hit my scissors. All right, here is our ribbon. It is tacked down with a lovely serpentine stitch, and you can see it's lined nice and flat, and it looks fabulous. So, 12 days of feet. Don't forget about our Janome ribbon and sequin foot. Come in and see us.